Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how you can easily turn off projector automatically. So first go over to the settings. Now scroll a bit down until you guys see system. Here go to power and energy. And now as you guys can see here we will have the power. Now here we will have the switch off timer. And here we can set it to 30 minutes. Here in the timer we have the power off time type, and here we can set it, let's say, on. And now here we can set the hour when we want it to disable. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.